Hello everyone, if you want to run WordPress locally on your PC just for development purposes, you will need XAMPP and WordPress. I will put the link to both of them in the description. After you downloaded both of them, you will start the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and MySQL module, then you will press the Apache admin button to check if your local host is working. Yeah, it's working. This website is now running on your own PC, and XAMPP just puts this website as a default. Now we will need to put WordPress on your local host. So you will extract the zip file you got from downloading it. Then you will go to Explorer, htdocs, and here you will create a new folder with your website name. I will just put in test website. You will open it, and now you will copy all the WordPress contents into this folder. After you're done, you can close these windows. And now we need to go to PHP MyAdmin. So you press on admin in the MySQL module. You press databases. You will add the name that you can add whatever name you want, but I will add test website. Create. And now you can go to the folder name that you put for your website. So test website. Test website. Localhost / your website name. Now you have the WordPress installation process, which you can just go through. The database name is the same name you named your database in PHP MyAdmin. So it would be test website. The username will be root, and the password we will left blank. Now you can run the installation. Here you can add a site title. I will just add website test. A username for your WordPress user. You can just use an admin. Copy the password and just save it in a separate node file. You will have to add an email. I will just put this one in. And now you can install WordPress. Log in with the admin account and the password you just created. This one. And now you have your own website. This runs locally on your PC, so that means no one outside of your network, your internet network, can access this site. This is usually only for development purposes, so to run your website smoothly, you will have to change some things in the PHP ini.file. Here you will search with Ctrl F for the word execution and change this number to 240. Also, you will change the upload max file size from 40 to whatever you want, maybe 80 or 120, however much space you will need. For example, if you upload a lot of images, you will probably have to up this number. So if you get the upload max file size error, you will know that you will have to change this number. Okay, that's everything. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and have fun with your website.